Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of lugging around a heavy vacuum cleaner? Meet the Shark Rocket Ultralight, the game-changing solution to all your cleaning woes. This fantastic stick vacuum is a powerhouse in a petite package, weighing under 9 pounds, making it a breeze to carry and maneuver around your home. With its 2-in-1 design, you can easily convert it to a handheld vacuum, perfect for tackling stairs, furniture, and those hard-to-reach areas. The ultra-lightweight design makes it feel like a feather in your hand, allowing you to whip through cleaning tasks with ease and speed. When it comes to cleaning, this vacuum delivers, effortlessly gliding across carpets and hard floors, picking up debris and pet hair with its powerful corded suction. You'll love the deep cleaning sensation on your carpets and the smooth feel of your hardwood floors after a pass with the Shark Rocket Ultralight. The powerful suction is like a strong hum in the background, reassuring you that the job is getting done. Many customers have fallen in love with this product, and it's easy to see why. It's well-reviewed and a popular choice among homeowners. The Shark Rocket Ultralight is perfect for pet owners, as it comes with tools specifically designed to tackle pet hair on couches, stairs, and upholstery. Imagine running your hand over your freshly vacuumed couch, feeling the softness of the fabric and the satisfaction of a job well done. This vacuum is also incredibly versatile, handling multiple surfaces with ease, from laminate to tile to bare floors. Whether you're a fan of quick cleanups or deep dives, this vacuum has got you covered. With its ease of use and impressive cleaning capabilities, it's no wonder the Shark Rocket Ultralight is a favorite among those who've tried it. So why not give it a shot and experience the thrill of effortless cleaning for yourself? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.